It's a beautiful thing to be able to listen to your body and do as it says, literally. It gives you signs. For example, farting, burping. Those aren't natural. I mean, yeah, they happen, but there's really no reason for it. Yesterday, I put some spicy mustard on a very dry hamburger that I had overcooked. And it was just the burger patty. And I kept burping that burger patty and that spicy mustard all night long. We're not meant to burp our food and regurgitate it like a cow, and it's not natural. I don't burp otherwise. I don't belch, and I don't fart either. So being able to listen to your body and do as it says, it's pretty neat. It really is.